Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, it's a little different because I'm coming to you with my full face done. We're ready to go. This is gonna be a quick eyes only tutorial. I'm hoping to film 3 videos tonight. So I'm gonna be like boom, 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 boom.
And boom goes the dynamite.
So the first video I am filming with is the Morphe 35X big, I gotta make sure I say this right, big Primpin palette. If you remember the one from last year, it was a 35XO palette. I still don't know why that was a Christmas palette. To me, that was definitely a Valentine's Day palette. This is still kinda reminiscent of that to me, but it is very, very beautiful. So the only thing that's different, well, not the only thing, there's a lot of things that are different, but one thing that's super noticeable right away is the one last year had a glitter shade, which I actually used, and I actually loved that. So I was hoping they were gonna have one of those in this one this year, but they do not. But we'll still have some fun with this one. And I'm gonna be honest, the only reason why I did my face beforehand because I don't want to deal with fallout, but the only reason why is because my battery was not charged, so I was waiting for that battery in my computer, or my calculator, wow, my camera battery, I was waiting for that to charge up so that I could film this. So went ahead and did the face. There's a lot to say. Cheers. I've already gone ahead and primed my eyelids as well. Okay, first I'm gonna start off with Power On. And you already know what I'm gonna do with this shade if you've been watching me for any amount of time. I'm gonna take my M124. That doesn't even say M124 anymore because I've used it that much. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna press it on underneath the brow and then right onto the inner corner, right on top of the tear duct. Definitely not as bright as I'm used to. I've got a lot of new brushes within my collection. So the brush I'm gonna grab is the Rephr 15 brush. It's just like a nice fluffy brush. I'm gonna take a mixture of Beauty Secret and Double Take. And I'm gonna tap those down as my transition shade. I'm gonna try to not do a look that's anywhere close to my look that I did last year. Since I already have my face makeup on, I'm gonna grab a shield, cut it in half. Might have to do some mild touch up after, but see how this goes. There's lots of people who use these after they have foundation on, and I'm always like, how? How does it not pull the foundation and everything on underneath off? I'm gonna grab my Rephr 01 brush. It's like a blending brush that's been pinched. I'm gonna grab Total Inspo and then a little bit of Matte Max. Total Inspo. You can see the pigments on one side here. I'm gonna start tapping this down. See how pigmented this shade is. Since I have this shield on, I'm gonna kind of drag it straight out like this. I'm gonna take this Rephr 12 brush. It's just like a big soft on brush. Now I'm gonna go in with that matte ink, and we're just going to start tapping this right into that outer socket and blending it into that previous shade, just giving it even more dimension. I'm gonna take this Bobbi Brown shadow pencil in the color Shore, just like this. It's a nice kind of skin tone color, and I want to, I've not done this before, so I don't know, it might be a major fail, but I'm gonna use this to like cut out the crease. I think if it was like a sharper tip, it probably would have worked better. I do feel like I kind of lost some of that right above the crease. So I'm gonna take this Rephr 03 little detail brush and just to make sure some of those colors I already used and just go right over top of it like so. Now I'm gonna take this Rephr 02 eyeshadow brush. Kind of want it to stay in like this kind of browny, pinky realm. I'm gonna take this color in the very center called Very Merry. And it looks like it has like an opalescent pink shimmer in it. I'm gonna lay that right on the inner corner, or the inner third. Same brush, I'm gonna take this color right here called Bling to Life, and I'm gonna take that one and put it right next to Very Merry, but not all the way over, because I'm gonna add one more shade. I wouldn't be honest, this next shade, strictly using it because of the name, because I need to be able to say it. Badonka Bling, Badonka Bling. But it does look very beautiful. I'm gonna put this right on basically to the center and marry those colors together. Blend that into those matte shades. I feel like the crease could use just like a touch bit more warmth. I'm gonna grab this shade here called Pay Attention. It's like a matte with like some shimmer in it. I think it'll be really pretty. I'm going to take that on, so excited, Rose and Ben E28 brush. Have it on one side here, and I'm just gonna tap that like right on top of the transition. Oh yeah, that totally transformed the whole thing. I think a brown liner would look really good in this. I'm gonna go into the Morphe Ashley Strong palette and grab the brown the brown color here called Manifest. So these are cake liners. They don't perform like regular eyeshadows. And you put some Fix Plus or any kind of water on it, and you let it soak up and do some magic, and then you can go in with an eyeliner brush and use it as a liner, and it's super matte, does not budge, so dang good. Apparently my husband and the dog are playing toys in the other room. So if you hear it, don't be concerned. Oh yeah, that's a good color with this look. Okay, moment of truth. Did it pull off? Too bad. Could use some touch up. The only thing is like, for me, right on top of the inner corner, it's just not popping as much. And it's not the formula, I think it's just the color I chose. So I want to go on top of it with a different color. I'm going to grab this JH39 brush. I'm going to grab this one right here called Born to Sun. So it kind of seems like it's the lightest shimmer in the whole palette. Oh yeah, already. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the lower lash line. I'm going to go back into the Rephr 03. I'm going to take a mixture of Total Inspo and Beauty Secret, and I'm gonna start by tapping that on to the lower lash line and then blending it into that wing. I'm gonna grab matte ink. I'm gonna take it on this itty bitty 29 brush. Itty bitty detail. You'll see when I hold it up against my eye how itty bitty it is. First it's so dang tiny, I was like, can I even use this? And now I'm like, obsessed. Now I'm gonna grab this Rephr 13, and I'm gonna go back in with that shimmery color, or not that glittery flaky color called Grab Attention, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna buff it right underneath. Home Alone is on TV right now. It's been on a lot this season, and I ain't mad about it. I'm gonna line my waterline with a white liner. This one's by Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna do the Rose and Ben hack here, where she takes her C31 brush and then she grabs a little bit of her own foundation powder, just a little bit. She just pushes it right on top of all the transition shades. Yeah, it does make a difference, just to make it nice and smooth and transition-y. And yes, that is a word. I'm gonna quickly apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Now the lashes are on. I used my clear lash glue by Saucy. I have it in black, and the clear, I use the clear whenever I have any other color other than black on my lash line. So yeah. Gonna do my lip liner real quick. I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors Stone lip liner. I don't know if they sell this individually. They have the Stone lip kit, and if they still sell that, it's a bomb kit and such a good color. Then for lips, I'm gonna grab the Pat McGrath. It's called Softcore. I think with this look, it would be so pretty. I don't know. It might actually be too pink. I think it might be too pink. Dang it. I'm gonna grab my, of course, Lawless Wedding Day and go in the center of that. Because I just tried to wipe it off right on the center. Better for this eye look. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Using the Morphe 35X Big Primpin palette. I think this look turned out very beautiful. It's a very soft, girly pink look, but it's kind of like an orangey pink look. I don't know, super, super beautiful, and I quite enjoyed this one. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. Love to talk to you guys. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell right there. Join the Allie Ann clan, the AAC, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.